How AP Automation for NetSuite Works by Ecovera. In this 2-minute video, you'll find out how AP Automation simplifies the processing of all your supplier invoices in accounts payable. There are 3 components to the AP automation process. One is capture, extracting data from either paper invoices or emailed PDFs or other electronic formats. Second is workflow, where invoices are gathered into a central dashboard and automatically sent to managers to review and approve. And third is archive and audit, where invoices are archived for searching, reporting, and auditing. As a business, you are continually receiving supplier invoices either through the mail or by email. If the invoice is in paper format, it is easily scanned and processed by Intelligent OCR. Intelligent OCR goes through and picks out all of the important fields on each invoice and then saves that data in the cloud. Emailed invoices in PDF or other electronic format are processed by an electronic invoice engine. It picks out all of the important fields on each invoice and then saves that data in the cloud. In Ecovera ASAP, you view both the data and images of the invoices captured. Invoices are automatically distributed to the proper role for coding and approval based on company policies. There's also a workflow for invoice exceptions. Once invoices are fully approved, they are sent to NetSuite. At all times, you know where each invoice is in the approval process. Ecovera ASAP will also securely archive all your supplier invoices, including the audit trail. This archive is fully searchable by over 30 different values, including account code, approver, invoice number, and more. This has been an introduction on how AP automation works. Visit ecovera.ca for more about how AP automation can benefit your organization.